Just arrived to Odessa. Today we're planning to visit Opera House and Puccini's Opera Tosca, and let's see what this city have to offer us. Stay in tune. This is tuna salad and calamari rings. Calamari rings? How do you say that? Calamari rings. Yeah. So, it's kind of breakfast for us. So, let's try. Sending postcards to our most beloved ones, just to show you how they look like. For example, first one to our beloved neighbor Maria. We actually met her only twice, but she's a very lovely lady and we love her very much, and we're sending one postcard to her. England. Next one, Belgium, to my very good friend Evaldes. Beautiful. Love him as well, very much. Obviously my grandmother and grandfather, Lithuania. Very beautiful one. Well, no need to tell that how much I love them. People who raised me. Yeah, so that's it. Very beautiful post office. And yeah, don't forget that we are sending those postcards from Odessa Opera House.